Life goes fast, right?
It is. It really is. I don't know. I think that's why I always feel like I'm younger, much younger, and also I'm surrounded by youth. My bestie at work, like 21, and I'm 35.
Tell us about your English language journey.
It began when I'm in middle school. I was really interested in English. For me, when people speaking English, like he or she is smart for me. So that's why I'm interested in English.
And did you go to college or did you just get married after high school?
I did go to college, major in English, but I dropped out. I left in fifth semester because I work. For now, I continue my study. I just finished my bachelor degree in 2020. It's late. I know it's late.
That's okay.
I'm
You did
late.
it. That's all that matters.
Yeah.
And what do you want to accomplish on HelloTalk?
I want to improve my English for sure because I don't have any friends or partner to speak English in my daily basis. That's why here I am.
Congratulations. That's so awesome. Is that your daughter making noise?
Oh no, it's my cat.
Oh, you have a cat.
Oh,
Wow. Hey there, cat.
it was a stray cat, so I take it home.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?